All right, here we go with another Let's Go production. I'm probably the only one that would buy a car and then turn around and put new calipers on it the exact same day and a different set of wheels. All right, so this rotor right here is cross-drilled slotted. Cross-drilled means it goes all the way through. Drilled means that it's only a dimple on there. And the slot, that's what the slot is. So as you can see, they're ventilated, double ventilated. So these are straight, meaning that this rotor right here can go either direction. All right, so that's one rotor. Then we got the massive rotor right there. All right, so we're gonna see which one we can put up on here, which one fits with that caliper. Was the other one. So let's go ahead and try it out, see what we get. Let's go. Well, let's go ahead and take this off while we're at it.